Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. TEMU has done it again. I am so excited. I have a huge TEMU haul for you guys. So let's just get started because I have a lot of stuff to show with you guys. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe down below if you guys want to see lifestyle, beauty, fashion, college, whatever kind of videos that I want to post. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on a new video. I upload Mondays and Fridays. So yeah, I got 2 packages in. I've been accumulating some packages, so let's go ahead and check them out. So I got a lot of the cute little nails. So let me show you guys these little press-on nails. I got these. There are these cute little pink ones with like designs, and I actually accidentally got 2 of them, so I have 2 of the same kind of nail. And then I got these really cute blue ones. Oh my gosh, these are adorable, but like the nails are super long, so I'm actually kind of scared to see how they'll work on my fingers because I don't really function well with long nails. So we'll see how it goes, but these are the nails. I also got these super cute cheetah ones, and then they got like different prints on each nail. Like one's got like a rhinestone, one's got all the cheetah. It's so cute. I'm excited to try those. And then I actually already opened some of the stuff and I put it on my keys because I got some keychains. I got this cute little donut one, so cute. And then I got this hot pink pom-pom. I got this little brown pom-pom. And in every one of them, they got like this cute, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like a cute little like rhinestone ball. And it's really cute. And then I got these, I already opened it, but it's the Bio Aqua. I think like the brands off of TEMU, they try to like replicate other like high-end brands, but for a cheaper cost. So these are the Bio Aqua Peach Extract eye masks. I love eye masks. I think they're really fun to wear and really fun to use in the morning time. They wake you up, they brighten up your eyes. And I got these ones. It's got a little spoon on it. You can bring it out and everything. I got this one. It's a pretty big freaking keychain. It's like a little bird. I really wanted it. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna put this on my backpack because it's that cute. I got this cute little like makeup brush. It's like a foundation brush because I needed one and I don't have a foundation brush. I'm always applying my makeup with like a beauty blender and it always doesn't end very well because all my foundation just sinks right into the beauty blender and I don't ever get any foundation on my face. So it comes in this little like mesh thing. And it looks like a kabuki style brush. It's really cute. Let me see. Okay, this is the brush. It's a foundation brush. It's pretty like bulky, but I really like it. And it's like, it's pretty thick. So I think it's going to be good to apply my foundation. I forgot about this. Okay, I got this little donut, or not donut, but like macaroon keychain as well. This is so cute. Okay, I'm going to have to link all of this stuff down below. So if you guys want to shop it too, you can. And then I got this. This is a highlighter. Girl, you guys, I've seen so many good makeup products on TEMU. It's really just a hit or miss on there. You either love what you get or you hate it. I love half the stuff that I get though. Look at the packaging, okay? And then you open it up and this is what it looks like. It's got a little mirror and it's got this little highlighter. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my gosh, that's very highlighted. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited for this product. I will definitely be using this. I love highlighters. I think when you put highlighter on, it just brightens up your whole face. I got a little pink pom-pom keychain. Oh, I got this blush. Okay. I think this is like a little like ombre blush. I've heard these are really good. So this is the packaging for the blush. It's just, and then you open it up. It's like, dang. There we go. Whoa. Okay, as you can see, it's like a cute little ombre blush. It's got a compact mirror as well. And it's very like chalky. I like it. I think I will definitely be getting some usage out of this. I already have like my main staple blushes that I use. So I don't really know if that's a blush that I'm gonna like put on my like must-have, like use everyday list. So I'll have to figure that out. That is everything I got in this package. Now we're gonna go into this one because I got some more stuff. So they are really good about like bundling their stuff up and packaging it super well. So if you guys did not know, I'm really excited because I'm going to Vegas for my birthday this year. And I had to get some stuff for traveling because I want to make sure that I can carry everything that I want to pack with me without having to check a bag. So I got these cute little packing like boxes where you can put your clothing in them and you don't have to like take up a bunch of space. Oh yeah, they're called packing cubes. So I got some of those. And then I got this really cute little like travel toiletry set. Yeah, that's everything in there. I had a few other things, but I already took them out, so I'm not gonna show those to you guys. But that is everything for today's Temu haul. I'm really excited. I'm glad I was able to share with you guys all the stuff that I got from Temu. Make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.